Welcome to the presentation for our group 6 Springs for our assignment, which is the cleaning system. So this is a C2C system which connects cleaners to homeowners. And right now we are on our home page. This is the landing page which all users will come by first. And you can see the services, some of the services that we provide. You can see some of the cleaners that are featured on our page and the know-hows of how to book booking for yourself, book a service for yourself. Right. Next is our Q&A sections. It's a very simple section to help users understand how to reassure users. Right. And next is our contact us section, which allows users to contact us directly, and a subscription section. And of course, in our footer, you have our address and our location. So if you were to log in, right, we'll be going through our platform manager first. So currently our platform manager placeholder is called admin1, okay? Not admin1, user1. And once you log in, you'll be greeted with the manage platform. So we decided to keep the UI simple and clean. And next, as we create a service category, so we call it test 1 and the service description example. Right, so as you can see here, we are on the view service category page where we are able to view the category we just made. Of course, if we want to update info, we can directly update here and say updated, right? And now that we submit and we want to go back and we go to search, we are able to find test 1 updated, and we are able to delete this, and which will return us to the search categories. And if we were to scroll back down, it doesn't exist anymore. Alright, so we are also able to generate reports. For example, the report for today, we have 0 new homeowners, cleaners, shortlist, number of bookings are 0. However, if we were to check the earlier week, we have 1 booking. And if we were to check last month, we have 1 new cleaner and 2 bookings. And we also have a way to save the report to PDF form for so that the platform manager can consolidate the reports. So now we will log out and we'll be going through the user admin. Which is user 26 and above. And so now as we log in, we are able to create new accounts for cleaners. So for example, I want to create new cleaner 1, age of 20. And you can see that our UI here is a very simple UI, right? And after that, we are able to choose the date, and we are able to put a test address. And we are able to assign the gender of the user. And put a test mail in. And also the user will log in by their usernames, which we will call it test cleaner 1. Password 123. So as you notice here, we have set a minimum for the password requirement so that users must have at least a minimum of 8 characters. So now that we created this character, this user, okay, we are able to update his info, alright, to test address 2. So as you can see here, new cleaner 1 has updated his info to test address 2, right? And if we were to look for this new user, we are able to search by email. And we are able to search by name. And we are able to search by room. Right. And so next we will be going through creating a user profile. So we are able to create new user profiles depending on our situation. So for example, we want to create a user VIP with a test profile description. We are able to submit this. So for now, there's no users in here, but we are able to update a user profile, and we are able to suspend it to prevent anyone in this user profile to log in, and we are able to unsuspend it, right? We are also able to search for specific user profiles. So for example, we want to search for the homeowner profile. So we just need to search home and it will show us the homeowner profile. And we are also able to view all the users, right, within the profile, and exit. So next we will be suspending a random user from the homeowner profile. So we will be going home and we will be suspending user 52. So user 52 is already suspended, and now we will log out and we will be going through the homeowner view. So if we were to try to log into user 52, the account has been suspended. It's on the top right. There will be a prompt that says the account has been suspended. So of course, if we are trying to log into user 51, we are able to log in and we will be brought to this home page again for the user. So looking at a user, we obviously would like to get certain listings. So if we were to click into this listing and we were to remove it from our shortlist, okay, and okay, good. So after removing a listing from our shortlist, it no longer exists as seen by the two previous examples in our shortlist, right? So we are also able to book the listing, which will appear on the My Booking page, and you can see the details here, as well as going to services and looking at the views and shortlist of the page of the service. So if you were to click into any one of these services, you are able to view the profile of the cleaner as well, right? And add them or remove them from your shortlist. So next, we want to find a listing that we have not shortlisted. So for example, service 16, we can view the profile of the person and go to another shortlist and remove it, right? And next we'll be going through the cleaner shortlist, where we can actually remove a cleaner from our shortlist, remove the cleaner's profile from our shortlist, right? This is a very useful function for users. So we are able to go to a shortlist, view their profiles, and add them or remove them from the shortlist. Right, next we are going to go over the cleaner. So for cleaners, they are able to log into the website as user 90. Okay, so as a cleaner, we are able to create new service listings. So for example, a service listing example 2. We're able to select the category that is created via the platform manager, set a price, set a start date and an end date, and a description. 1, 2, 3. Right, we are also able to set the service status. So we are able to tell the homeowners whether our service is available, pending, or unavailable. So after submitting this, we are also able to update the info by adding a for here. And we are also able to view this on our search listings. Right, example 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. So we are also able to delete this listing and it no longer exists. So for our cleaners, we understand that views and shortlists are very important for a user. So it is displayed directly on the service listings itself. And we are also able as a cleaner view service records of previous services, whether it be cancelled or completed. Right, we are able to see the description of that service. We are able to see the start date, end date, the booking ID, the service ID, and the homeowner ID. Right. So that's all.